So what are the best coffees for cold brew? This is a great question, and it's actually why we created our Explorer Kit, because it really depends on what flavors you like. For example, if you like coffees that are bright and fruity, you'd probably like a cold brew that's bright and fruity. So our Explorer Kit comes with 3 very different coffees with 3 very different flavor profiles, and they're all ground for cold brew, and they're each inside their own mesh bag. One profile concentrates on more fruity, bright flavors. One has some fruitiness, but also has some chocolate or brown sugar flavor to balance it out. And the third profile is the darkest roasted, and it will usually taste like dark chocolate, and it won't have any fruit-like tastes. So you can steep them on one at a time or all at once and decide which coffee is best or which coffee you prefer by tasting them.